She went like that. Can you give me an example? There you go. She went, oh, you were clubbing last night. I can't do that. All right, everybody wiggle your bottom, wiggle your bottom, wiggle your bottom, wiggle your bottom. Freeze! Everybody wiggle your tongue. Freeze! Now, so I'm watching people, and I'm seeing who's silly, who's not. Are you more interested in looking good in front of people that you don't know? Or are you more interested in looking good in front of your friends and family that really know you and care about you? Who's more interested in looking good in front of their friends and family? Who's more interested in looking good in front of every single stranger in this room? Right. How does that make sense? You're going to discover we are so backwards on all our belief systems. Obviously, I don't care about looking good. And I get to be myself. So if this is my request, if you work in early, does everybody here work in early childhood? Okay, if you work in early childhood, and I ask you to do something, you catch yourself like this, looking over at another person to see their response, you're making it about them. I ask you to make it about you. Okay? It's not easy.